Hello boys, how are you? Good morning. Today our topic roots. Okay, we already study discuss these roots, but today we will study in detail how the roots take water from the ground and what are the functions of roots. Okay, this is your book page number 12 and 30. Now, come on. First of all, the roots is the part of plant that we can see because it is underground. Other part, for example, stem, leaves, flower, branch, and fruit. These parts we can see, but but these part roots, especially, it is exist underground and we can see. Okay. Now, here some functions of the roots. Roots number one, absorb water and mineral from the soil. Number two, it anchor the plant firmly in the ground. For example, it hold the plant very tightly and strongly because when during the wind or storm, it stay the plant state, okay, and keep it to fell down. And then the third function, that is it store food. Roots store food for the animal and human being, for other organisms. For example, we eat radish. Radish is a root. Carrot, it is also roots. And potatoes, they also roots. Sweet potatoes and turnip, this all kinds of root and store the food for us. Okay. And roots still alive under the bad condition of weather, and it is also reproductive part of the plant because roots also grow into the new plant. Okay. So we can say roots are the reproductive part of the plant. And when bad condition, for example in the desert, sometimes there is no rain for many months. Okay. And the plant lost their leaf and stem, and the roots still alive underground. And when there is some rain, and after the rain, the plants again start to grow. Okay. Because of this, roots are underground and they store water, and in the bad condition of weather, they also still alive, and then they grow into new plants. Okay. Next, uh, now we discuss how roots absorb water and mineral. And roots absorb water and mineral with the help of root hairs. Okay. Root hairs grow outer surface of the roots. Root hair cell provide a really big surface through which water and mineral can be absorbed. For example, root hair absorb more water with less time because root hairs are big surface enough to store the water and absorb the water from the soil. Okay. Now here you can see, this is a microscopic view of the root hairs. For example, this is a sand particle or soil particle, and between them this water, and this root hair soak up or absorb the water from the soil, and then water come here, and this is big surface. Okay. Because of this, the roots can store quickly within short of time, small time, it store more water. Why? Because root hairs have the big surface to store water. Okay. This is blue arrow are water, represent the water, and this small, this brown like a stone, this is the particle of soil and sand, and this is the root hair cell. Okay. And this complete is called root hair. From this, the root hair act as a filter, and absorb the water from this. And when it absorb water from here and absorb minerals, then it transport these water and mineral to the stem, and then stem transport them to the leaf and flower and branch. Okay, and this is our topic today about roots. Now I show you video about this how the plant take water.
Do not possess nodes, leaves, and buds, but is branched extensively. The roots are well suited both morphologically and anatomically to absorb water and minerals from the soil. Morphologically, the root system consists of the main root, the lateral roots or the secondary roots, and the root hairs or the tertiary roots. The main root gives out branches called the lateral roots or the secondary roots. The lateral roots in turn have number of fine outgrowths called the root hairs or the tertiary roots. Anatomically, the roots consist of root cap, meristematic zone, elongation zone, maturation zone. Root cap is the structure found at the tip of the root which protects it. Root hairs are unicellular and are produced in thick clusters. They are very thin, allowing the water molecules and mineral salts to diffuse through them easily. Cell membrane of these cells is semi-permeable in nature. Water molecules and mineral salts enter the cell by osmosis. They contain cell sap, that is, a solution of higher concentration than that of the surrounding soil water. Did you know some of the specialized variations of roots are aerial roots are roots exposed to air, extremely long and unbranched. Root tubers are swollen portions of a root that can have buds to produce new shoots, and when broken off, these can grow into a new plant. Substances move from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration using energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate.
Okay, boys, this is you look here how the roots uh, here absorb the water and mineral from the ground. Okay, revise this topic, and if you have any question you can say next class. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.